The Earth is a unique planet. Its domain extends to a layer of air that surrounds it, containing oxygen and other gases essential for life on Earth. Another domain extends to oceans. These oceans add water vapor to the air, a fact that makes water available on land. The climatic conditions caused rock disintegration. It resulted in the formation of soil, which forms a vital part of the Earth's crust. Thus, the four realms are interactive and cannot be separated from each other. These domains or realms are lithosphere, land, hydrosphere, water, atmosphere, air, and biosphere, life. Hydrosphere. The sphere of water, especially the water in the oceans, is known as the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is divided into four major parts: oceans, several seas, and lakes. Oceans account for a little more than 70% of the Earth's total surface area. In terms of volume, 96.5% of the Earth's total water is found in the oceans. Hydrosphere. The water changes its state, liquid, solid, or gaseous. In liquid form, it exists in oceans, rivers, lakes. Hydrosphere. Underground reservoirs form a part of all living things. In its solid state, it exists as ice sheets or snow cover on mountain tops and as glaciers or ice sheets at the Arctic and Antarctic ice caps. Hydrological cycle. Since ocean water comprises of more than 96.5% of the total volume of water on Earth, it is this very water that becomes available on land through a natural process called the water cycle or the hydrological cycle. The sun is mainly responsible for circulation of water in the hydrosphere. The water in oceans is heated by solar radiation during the daytime. This heating of water makes water vapor, which then rises into the atmosphere. This is known as evaporation. The cool air cannot hold the same amount of water vapor as warm air. If the air is too cold, crystals of ice may form. This conversion of water vapor into tiny droplets or ice crystals is known as condensation. Tiny droplets float in the air, join together around dust particles and form clouds. The heavier drops cluster together and fall back on the earth as rainfall or snowfall. Rainfall and snowfall together is called precipitation. Underground water reappears in the form of springs, wells, etc. Rivers and streams ultimately flow into the oceans, lakes, and seas, and the water cycle starts afresh.
Oceans. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. The three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the ocean currents, and the tides. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and spread over 1/3 of the Earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the Earth, and lies in the Pacific Ocean. It is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South Americas surround it. The Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S in shape. It is flanked by the North and South Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly aligned. This unequal and aligned coastline provides ideal location for natural harbor and ports. Commercially, it is the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The shape of ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. The Southern Ocean encloses the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is bound by northern coasts of North America and Eurasia. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait.